Agent Marni and Agent Ben. This is Agent Danielle calling upon you to carry out one of the toughest and most dangerous missions of your lives. As you can see, I'm dripping with sweat from carrying out a very similar mission. In order to keep the Mid-Atlantic region safe, we must be successful with this mission. If you choose to accept, Agent Ben, you will directly correspond via this text your acceptance. And then I will discontinue my correspondence with you, Agent Ben, and I will then, and only then, be corresponding directly with Agent Marni. She will then direct you through this challenge while videotaping and timing you at the same time. This is very serious. I need you to do this with your mind and your heart and your soul to carry out this mission. Here is how it will work. Once you accept this mission through this correspondence, I will then directly text Agent Marni a list of 10 items, 10 things that you will find. I will also send her directly to her now, because you cannot see that list of 10 items, nor can you see the video challenge. She will have that as a guide to direct you, but you cannot see it ahead of time, Agent Ben. What will happen, you will pick out a designated location, one spot in which you will start, and you will return to it several times, and then finish there. So what will happen is you and Agent Marni will be at that spot, perhaps the couch, perhaps the dining room table, perhaps the staircase. And you will start there, and Agent Marni will then tell you the first item on the list in which you must run and you must find and you must bring back to that designated spot. Then and only then, when you bring back that first item, will she reveal the second item in which you must run and you must find that second item and you must bring it back to that same spot. And then and only then, when you bring back that second item, will she tell you the third item, and you must run and you must find that third item and you must bring it back to that spot. And then and only then would she reveal the fourth item you must run and find, and so forth and so on. There is a list of 10 items. You must deliver 6 out of that 10. Perhaps you will go through the first 6 with no issues, and you will win the battle in a very timely manner. Perhaps you will bring back number 1, but don't have item number 2. When you get to an item that you do not have or you do not know where to find, if you skip, there is a very serious time penalty. If you get to an item and you don't think you have, you must spend at least 10 seconds looking for it. Perhaps run to a neighbor, and perhaps you can bring back that from the neighbor, or perhaps you can make it. And that will count. So again, what will happen is, if you choose to accept this challenge, I will correspond directly with Agent Marni and only Agent Marni, and she will get a list of 10 items and a video challenge that only is for her eyes. And she will tell you, when you guys are at that spot together, your first item, you run, you find, you bring back to that location. She then reveal only the second item. You run, you find that second item, you bring it back. Then she reveal the third item, and so forth until you have 6 items. Again, if you skip one, there is a very serious time penalty. If you choose to accept this challenge, please let me know. Farewell and Godspeed.